So it is working, right? So now there is some password. We are going to write admin, and we are going to write some password, and click on the login and click, yeah, invalid username and password. See, and if I'm going to put the Kaushik password 123456, press enter. Yes, welcome Kaushik. Click here to log out. If I click on the login, it will not go to the login form, and if I click on the logout, it will go to the logout. It is logged out and going to the, and redirecting to the login form. Okay, and if I'm going to write Bucky as a username and password is 123 and save. Now welcome Bucky, logout, and I need to copy. Okay, copy it for as a shortcut and close it from browser and open a new tab again and just cross this browser and open a Chrome and paste this index.php. Yeah, welcome Bucky. So once the session has been set, it is not going to log out automatically, right? So it is already hold my data, the username, in a session, and it is able to open the particular window to where, from where we are, you know from where we close the browser. Fine. And if I want to log out, it is logged out. And if I paste the same URL and press enter, no, it is redirected the login from here. Okay, so click over here. And one more thing, something went wrong. Okay, something went wrong. What is the issue? Okay, let's uh, I'm check thing. Okay, okay, so we don't need this else part actually, so remove this else part. And uh, yeah, remove this else part, or else one more thing that we need to uh, okay, leave it as it is. Refresh. Okay, fine. Login, invalid username password. Go to right username and password 123456. Press enter. Yeah, welcome Kaushik. Login from here. It will not redirecting to the login form. Okay, and click on the logout. It will redirecting to the login form. So that's all about this video. Okay, and that's all about this tutorial. Hope you all understand the basics of session, uh, in using in PHP, using in the login purpose. Okay, uh, if you're having any question, please comment on the comment box, and please do subscribe, and please like this video if you you know like, if you really like this video, like this really, please do subscribe and like and share. Okay, and do comment in the comment box what you need in a next video. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.